How to speak English fluently. Simple steps for success. Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to speak English fluently. Speaking English well can open many doors in life. It's not as hard as you might think. With a few simple steps, you can improve your English quickly. Practice speaking every day. The most effective tip for speaking English fluently to practice speaking every day. Just like learning to ride a bike or play a musical instrument. Speaking English gets easier the more you do it. How to practice? Talk to yourself. Find a quiet place and talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing, how you feel, or what you see around you. This helps you get used to thinking in English. Use English in daily life. Try to use English when you do everyday tasks. For example, when you are cooking, name the ingredients in English. When you are out, try to read sign, menus, or labels in English. Have conversation. Talk with friends or family members who speak English. Join a language exchange group where you can practice with others who are learning English. Use technology. Use language learning apps or websites to find speaking partners. Watch English movies or TV shows and try to repeat what the characters say. Why practice is important? Practicing every day helps your brain get used to the sound and patterns of English. It builds your confidence and makes speaking English feel more natural. Remember, the key to speaking English fluently is to practice every day. Talk to yourself, use English in your daily life, have conversation, and use technology to help you. With regular practice, you will see great improvements in your fluency. Thank you for listening. Now let's start practicing. Try to say a few sentences in English today and make it a daily habit. Happy learning. Bye.